Now, 28th of May marks a significant milestone in Indian democracy. 1 year ago to the day, the country's new parliament building was inaugurated. It ushered in a new era for India's legislative process. Kirat Chawla revisits the journey and milestones of this architectural marvel that stands in the heart of New Delhi, symbolizing the strength and growth of the world's largest democracy.
28th May, a historic date in the history of Indian democracy. It was on this day in 2023 the new parliament building was inaugurated. The state-of-the-art building, which is part of India's Central Vista redevelopment project, now houses the Lok Sabha, lower house and the Rajya Sabha, the upper house of the Indian Parliament, with provisions for further expansion amidst the growing needs of the world's largest democracy. The new Parliament House was first used for official business on September 19, 2023, when a special session was convened. A year has passed since the grand building located in the heart of India's capital New Delhi was dedicated to the nation. Amidst the grandeur as it now stands in its splendor, charting the course of India's future from its premises, here is a glance at the timeline of the building that epitomizes the largest democracy of the world. On September 2019, the master plan for redevelopment of Central Vista Avenue was conceived. The Tata Projects Limited won the contract for the construction of the new Parliament building in September 2020. The architectural consultancy work of the building was won by ACP Designing Plan in October 2020. It was on December 10, 2020, the foundation stone of the new Parliament building was eventually laid. On July 11, 2022, the statue of the country's national emblem was unveiled on top of the new Parliament building. The main structure of the new Parliament was finally completed on 28 August 2022. Finally, on May 28, 2023, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the new Parliament building along with his fellow parliamentarians. And on September 19, 2023, a special session was convened in the new Parliament building, marking the official functioning of the new building. Designed to be earthquake resistant, the building features large seating capacities in both chambers, 888 seats in the Lok Sabha and 384 in the Rajya Sabha. Unlike the old building, it does not have a central hall, but the Lok Sabha chamber can house 1,272 members during a joint session. The Lok Sabha chamber also houses the Sengol, gold-plated silver sceptre, which marked the transition from the old to new building, establishing the latter as the new officer of governance of the Indian democracy. In its first year, the new Parliament building has already witnessed significant legislative activities, including the passage of the Women's Reservation Bill, marking a new era in India's democratic journey. Kirat Chawla for DD India.
And Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla called the new Parliament House a historic moment in the life of India.
आज के दिन एक वर्ष पूर्व देश के प्रधानमंत्री माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने इस भवन का लोकार्पण किया। 2 साल 7 महीनों के अंदर ये भवन बना, जो हमारे देश के आत्मनिर्भर का मॉडल भी है और हमारे 140 करोड़ देश की आकांक्षाओं, अपेक्षाओं का प्रतीक भी है। इस संसद भवन के अंदर, नए संसद में महत्वपूर्ण विषयों पर चर्चा हुई। भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था पर चर्चा हुई। 2047 में भारत कैसा होगा, उसके लिए भी यहाँ चर्चा हुई।
Let me get you some sports news.